Welcome back to another video, and today we have my 2016 Nissan Rogue, and in that box we have a new set of crossbars, and I'm going to be showing you how to install those on this Nissan Rogue. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box and then get started with installing these on the Rogue. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. Instructions. And here are our crossbars, along with the bag of bolts, washers, and Torx wrenches that we'll need to get everything set up. So I'm going to go ahead and take the next step. So let's take a look at the pieces. And this is definitely going to help with the installation because each piece is labeled. This one is our rear left. We have our rear right. Front left. Front right. And with our crossbars, we have it labeled with the rear and front, and it has arrows showing you which direction these bars should be facing once it's actually set the correct way. So flipping it over like this will be your left, this will be your right, and the same thing with the rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with getting the bolts out and then connecting the two ends, and we'll go from there. All right, so on that bag you'll have washers to go along with the rest of the bolts you'll need. So with attaching the ends, you want to go ahead and get it on. Line it up with your washer. Go ahead and screw it in. All right, on to the other side. Again, we're removing these bolts. Connecting this with our washer and getting those bolts back in. All right, that's one down. All right, on to the front. Definitely pay attention to those arrows. So this is actually going to be our front left. And it's the same process with washer, bolt, and tighten. All right, all four ends to the crossbar are connected. I'm gonna go ahead and go back outside and get those crossbars attached to the roof rack. The first thing I'm gonna do is use my T30 Torx wrench to remove these bolts. You'll have 4 total on each side. Once we get these out, we can go to the next step. All right, I'm gonna repeat that process for the rear left. On to the front right side. And the rear. Alright, with those removed, we can go ahead and get those crossbars installed, and I'll start with the front. Alright, we'll be using the rest of the bolts and washers from the back. And an easy way to confirm that you're doing this correctly is there will be an arrow facing towards the front of the vehicle. That's extra confirmation to go along with your words and arrows right there. Alright, basically the same process as with hooking in our ends. We're going to get a washer, a bolt, line it up, and tighten. I'm going to loosely get all 4 in before I completely tighten them. Alright, now we can get the rear lined up and tightened in. Alright, with that, the rear crossbar is officially tightened on all 4 ends, and the mission is complete, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so here's how the crossbars look installed on my 2016 Nissan Rogue. I can definitely say it has a nice factory look to it, which is what you want. And I would say the total time to get these from the box onto the vehicle and installed is about 15 to 20 minutes, which is not too bad. So if this is something that you're looking to get for your Nissan Rogue, I will leave a link in the description with the discount code, and you can go ahead and get yours ordered. And if you need any help with the install, you can always come back to this video for any tips that you need to get it settled. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next vehicle. I'm out.